highest-paying farmland. Orange orchards in Punjab earn more than $10,000 per acre. Pakistan's orange gold is the second most profitable citrus crop on earth. A desert that turns into an overnight beach. Tharparkar Desert magically turns green during monsoons, with lakes forming in just days. It is the only fertile desert in the world. The world's highest ATM. At Punjab Pass, at the height of almost 15,397 feet, you can withdraw cash near the China border. This ATM machine is the highest in the world. A glacier that bleeds red water. Pasu Glacier sometimes flows with blood-red meltwater due to iron oxide deposits. A lake that changes color. Adabad Lake in Hunza shifts between turquoise, emerald, and deep blue daily due to glacial silt. World's deadliest glacier. Siachen Glacier is the highest battlefield on Earth. Soldiers fight at minus 60 degrees Celsius, where frostbite is deadlier than bullets. Only place on Earth where three giant mountain ranges meet. The Himalayas, Karakoram, and Hindu Kush collide in Pakistan. This makes Pakistan the most extreme mountain zone on the planet and a heaven for mountain lovers. Only country with all four seasons at once. In March, you can ski in the north, enjoy spring in Islamabad, face scorching heat in Sindh, and see monsoon rains in Lahore, all on the same day. Home to the killer mountain. Nanga Parbat is so deadly, it is called the man-eater. No one has ever climbed it in winters. Largest man-made forest. Changamanga Forest was planted in the 1800s. Now it's 12,000 acres of pure jungle, all grown without machines. Yes, it was grown by hands. Alien mountains. In Hingol National Park, some mountains contain phosphorescent minerals that emit glow after sunset. Locals call them the ghost mountains. 5 of the world's 14 tallest peaks. From Concordia, throne room of the gods, you can spot K2, Broad Peak, Gusherbrum 1 and 2, and Masherbrum all over 8,000 meter tall. Second largest salt mine. Kura salt mine is the second largest salt mine on Earth. Its tunnels stretch 40 kilometers, with an underground mosque carved entirely from salt. The Death Highway. 13,000 kilometers long Karakoram Highway, also called Eighth Wonder of the World. It has cliffs so steep, 1,000 workers died building it. It is one of the world's most dangerous road. A river that dies and comes back to life. Hingol River in Balochistan disappears underground and reappears 100 kilometers away. It is like a real-life magic trick.